so today we are doing PR unboxing. I'm super excited because Diwali is nearby and काफी कुछ आया हुआ है, so I really want to share with you guys. काफी cute सामान है. Today we have clothes, we have more jewelry, and let's go. So pretty, you guys know I love such pieces. And then, oh my god, this one is so pretty. Wow, I really like this. It looks so nice. I really like it. Thank you so much for much, and enjoy your festive season. This is so pretty, guys. I just can't wait to wear it. So next up I got this cute little bag और इसमें है jewelry. So excited. Okay, I'm going to tag the brand right here so you guys can buy. It is so beautiful. Oh my god, look at this bracelet. And there's another little box. Let me see what's there. Okay, so there's a small neck piece. Oh, this is also so pretty. This is actually a multicolor neck piece. Really nice. Thank you so much. Okay, so quickly costume change and I had to shoot something, so अब हम वापस से कर रहे हैं PR unboxing, and I really like my new hair color. Okay, so next up I got these two March. एक जो फर्स्ट वाली है ना उसकी कपकेक की शेप है, so let me just open and show it to you guys. Oh my god, this is so cute. Look at this. इसकी कपकेक की शेप है और ये एक शॉर्ट ग्लास में है. Beautiful candles and these are so pretty. I love candles. Like मैं जब ऑफिस में आती हूँ the first thing I do is I lit up a candle. So this one is from Little Flickers and thank you so. So this one was rose and champagne जो मैंने आपको दिखाया था, and this is coffee and cinnamon. Oh my god, I'm super excited for this one. This looks so pretty. Thank you so much for sending. So next up I have got these bamboo towels and I'm super excited because they're antibacterial, odor free, super absorbent, and they're also eco-friendly. So please guys definitely check out their page. I'm super excited for this, and they've sent me some hand towels और उन लोगों ने पैकेजिंग भी इतनी अच्छे से करके दी है, which is really nice. काफी soft है. This is like a normal basic towel. Looks really nice, feels so good और eco-friendly है और आपको क्या चाहिए. So let's just do that, support these people, and they're doing a great job. And then I got another one, so I'm going to keep this in my office only. Thank you so much. Also they sent me these socks, which is so nice. One is in black and white, very pretty. I really like this, बहुत cute है. And then basic blue. Thank you so much, and you guys are doing a great job. Next up I have this box which says शिव शक्ति. कितना प्यारा लिखा है उन्होंने. Thank you so much. आप लोग कितनी मेहनत करते हो. Oh my god, this got so much of jewelry. I'm excited. Okay, so there is a ring. There are toe rings also. I'm going to give this to my mom. So these are the toe rings. Okay, let me see which brand is this. This is Heat Collection. Thank you so much. She sent me products before also, I remember. And उन्होंने extra ये भी दिए हैं क्योंकि बहुत गुम जाते हैं यार मेरे से, तो थैंक यू सो मच. देन देयर इयररिंग विद सेज मुसाफिर और काफ़ी कुछ सामान है. वाओ, ये पायल है, कितनी सुंदर है. आई जस्ट लव दिस, वेरी प्रिटी. मैं इसको अभी कभी पहन लूंगी. एंड देन आई हैव कड़ा है बहुत. ओ माई गॉड, ये बहुत ज़्यादा प्रिटी है. आई एम हैप्पी. ओके, हमारे पास है मुसाफिर वाली रिंग. देन वी हैव वन मोर रिंग. ओ माई गॉड. And then we have, okay, next up I have these gold plated earrings. सब cute है काफी. Thank you. Oh my god, there's so much. And look at this. This is so pretty. Okay, next up I have these gold plated earrings. सब cute है काफी. Thank you. Oh my god, there's so much. And look at this. This is so pretty. So इस छोटी सी बॉक्स में थे ये वाली इयररिंग्स. कितने प्यारे हैं. Oh my god, I'm getting too excited to see all this. Okay. Next up I have another choker. neck piece. This beautiful neck piece. choker वाला है ये. And okay, इसमें एक small let me open. काफी कुछ है. Okay, these are the earrings. Oh yes, these are the earrings. Very pretty यार, आपका सामान काफी अच्छा है. Okay, so there's a जिस पे पीकॉक प्रिंट है एंड उसके साथ ये इयररिंग्स हैं. कितने सुंदर है. थैंक यू. ओके, एंड देन ओह माय गॉड, ये केटल वाला वो इयररिंग बहुत प्रिटी लग रहा है. रियली नाइस. एंड अनदर ब्लैक कलर का धागा विद something which you can wear in your hand basically. Then there is another neck piece. Okay, very pretty. The quality is also really nice. और एक और earrings हैं जिसपे coin बना हुआ है. बेसिकली इस पे एक्चुअली गणपति बने हुए हैं और ये कितने ज्यादा सुंदर है गाइज. ओ माई गॉड, आई जस्ट लव दिस. Okay, that was too much of stuff, huh? Okay, another something to wear in my hand, and then I think ये पायल है. Okay, this is ये भी पायल है. कितनी सुंदर है. Thank you so much. उसके साथ है ना, उन्होंने ये सब ज्वेलरी रखने के लिए ये पाउचेस दिए, which is really nice and thoughtful. Thank you so much. This made me so happy and love you. Boho feel. Also उनकी earrings काफी light है, तो you like to wear it and they make your outfit stand. Jewelry matters a lot. And then I have these, so pretty. Love the packaging, how they pack this. Okay guys, so next up I have something from one of my favorite brand. मैंने इसी स्वेटर के साथ मैंने उनकी इयररिंग्स पहने थे when I was shooting a video, और मैंने स्टोरी पे डालता है. Everybody was like, आपने इयररिंग्स कहाँ से लिए? They are so pretty and so unique, and trust me, आप लोग often send. Oh my god, even these are so beautiful. Oh my god, thank you. I am going to show you my favorite one. I know I've said it enough, but ये बहुत अच्छे लगेंगे. सो दीज आर द इयररिंग्स. लुक एट द कलर, कितना प्यारा है. ऐसा लग रहा है मैं इसे खा लूँ. सो यम्मी दे लुक. ओके, दीज आर माई फेवरेट वन. लुक एट दीज. ओ माई गॉड, दे गिव यू सच. ओके, नेक्स्ट अप आई हैव समथिंग फ्रॉम मेलोनिशा. थैंक यू सो मच. आपने कितने अच्छे से पैक करके दिया है. बट द बेस्ट पार्ट इज दिस लेटर जो उन्होंने इतना सुंदर लिखा है. थैंक यू सो मच. आई लव योर हैंड राइटिंग. रियली नाइस. गोइंग टू कीप इट safe. Look at this. Oh my god, this is beauty guys. I love this and I can't wait to wear this. Thank you so much, and I love your stuff with me. And उन्होंने भेजा है एक हेयर बैंड जिसपे tie and dye, ये कहते हैं इसको, वो काम हुआ है. Like that print is there basically, and I absolutely love it. Okay, बाद में पहनूंगी. And then I have beautiful mask. 3 मास्क है. So this is the first one. So pretty and very comfortable, और काफी layering है. You can feel there's a lot of layer, तो आपको proper protection मिलेगा. So this is another one. Okay, because of my hair. Okay. Yeah, looks really nice. I really like it. And then there's another one which can go with basically any color. So next up I have something from Plex, and I'm super excited to tell you guys that ये world's first apple cider vinegar as a tablet form में है. So basically आपको इसको पानी में डालना है and you have to drink it, and really nice. This is a glass, and then एक bottle में I think we have 15 of them, which is really nice. Excited to try this. Thank you so much for sending. इसमें vitamin B6 B12 भी है. So thank you. One ACV shot, and this is going to help you with weight management, improves your cholesterol, sugar levels monitor करता है, metabolism बढ़ाता है, gut आपकी health को अच्छा करता है, and immunity builder भी है, which is nice. They've given me. Next up I have something I'm very excited about. Makeup. So I've got something from Huda Beauty, and this is their new eyeshadow palette. और इसके colors देखो, shades कितने सुंदर है. Oh my god, I absolutely love this. This is called Supermoon, and look at this. Oh my god, I really can't wait to use them. So beautiful, guys. And also they have sent me their mascara, the world best lashes. Major volume, dramatic curl bhi dega, and instant length. Okay, let me just love the packaging, super classy and nice. So from this side you will get the volume, and इस side से आपको curl और length मिलेगा, so which is really nice. I love the wand, it is so pretty. I forgot to add, I also got one more product from Huda Beauty. So on one side you basically have a liner, and this is like so black. Look at this beauty, so pretty. And next up I have got this shirt from Amazon Prime. They have sent me this for Mirzapur, and I love this. So yes, if you haven't watched it yet, go and watch it. Thank you so much for sending. And if you guys want me to do like a proper look using these shades, please let me know. Would love to do it. And next up, and on the other side you have kajal. So yes, I'm super excited for these products. Thank you again, once again, for sending pencils and matte time eyeshadow stick. मेरे पास ये नहीं थी. I was anyway about to buy, so thank you so much. Also they have sent me another shade which is autograph. I really like this shade. मेरे पास है ये already, and there's more stuff. Let me just open and show you guys. So I remember last year during this time we actually met Katrina, and we spoke to her, and she was super excited for her new brand, and she knew so much about makeup, which was really impressive. She has sent me her highlighter. Oh my god, ये वाला highlighter मुझे बहुत पसंद है. Because already had, I already got this one. Oh, so pretty. I love this. Very beautiful shades. I have all of them and I absolutely love it. और वो इतना easily chip off नहीं होते हैं. Like, I really like them. Thank you so much, and once again, happy birthday. So K Beauty have sent me some product. It is their first birthday, so happy birthday. I'm so sorry if I'm opening in this late, but I've got some products and I'm excited. Okay, so I have got their lip. I have a nail paint, and trust me, उन लोग की nail paints like the K Beauty got the best nail paints ever. मैं हमेशा उन्हीं के shades पहनती हूँ, and she sent me this beautiful nude shade. I love it. Or even if you like those nice pastel shades, they have. Okay, now I have something from beautiful SSK. She sent me some jewelry. Oh my god, look at this, so beautiful. I think everybody is wearing this, and now I have it. Thank you. Okay, next up I have these beautiful earrings. I really like them. यार ये बहुत सुंदर हैं और काफी light भी है. Really like it. Then there's one more neck piece. Okay, again this one's the layered one, so very nice. आजकल ये layered so much. There's a lot of stuff. वो भी दिखा देती हूँ. These are such beautiful earrings. वैसे pearls बने हैं. Really like it. But like jewelry is very important, guys. And then she sent me really pretty. Okay, so this is how it looks. Really nice. I really like it. So pretty. And quality is also very. Neck piece ना बहुत चल रहे हैं, so you guys can get it. इसमें heart बना है and everything. Really like it, yeah. Thank you so much for sending. Years now, and I absolutely love their stuff. So this was their PR box which they have sent me for their 4th birthday. So okay, let me just show you. Okay, so first is this Sharara. एंड ये इतना सुंदर है ना, इसमें से वर्क हुआ है नीचे. सो दिस इज शरारा, और इसके ऊपर का जो कुर्ता है विच इज इन दिस कलर, एंड इट लुक्स सो स्टनिंग गाइज. आई थिंक मैंने ऑलरेडी इसमें एक छोटा पिक्चर भी डाला था. आई वाज शूटिंग फॉर अ दिवाली वीडियो एंड आई वोर दिस. सो ब्यूटिफुल. और इसके साथ ही पिंक कलर का दुपट्टा है, एंड रियली लाइक इट. सो प्रिटी. 1 सेकेंड, लेट मी शो यू. सो इसकी दुपट्टे पे ना एंड्स में ये है. आई हैव दिस मरून कलर स्ट्रेट कुर्ता विच इज सो प्रिटी, और इसके साइड में से जा रहा है तो बहुत प्यारा लग रहा है. एंड इसके साथ पैंट्स हैं एंड ऑल्सो दुपट्टा. सो दिस इज द दुपट्टा. आई लव इट. लुक्स सो प्रिटी. Really nice. Thank you so much. And then we have 2 more things, so guys just wait. Okay, so this is the blue kurta. Again, straight fit hair, looks really nice. And इसके साथ and side में no, this is Gotapati work is done. Really like this, guys. With this we have, okay, we don't have pants, we have shararas. Oh my god, this is so pretty and I can't wait to wear this. सुंदर सी jewelry पहनोगे ना तो it will look really pretty. So this is how it looks. And with this we got like straight pants. Oh my god, I absolutely love it. Okay, next up I have this pink color kurta, which is basically anarkali A-line kurta, which got this beautiful print. I love the print. और इसके साथ है straight pants, and with this you got this printed dupatta. Absolutely love it. So nice. Okay, I have one more जो मैंने अभी पहना हुआ था. One second, let me just show you. This is so stunning, guys. Let me just show you. It's like one anarkali, kurta. Okay, let me just open and show you guys. So these are the earrings, golden color earrings which they have sent, and a lot of seeds. Thank you so much, and happy birthday. I got these beautiful footwear. Look at them. They look so pretty and they're so stunning. Love the block heel, the nude pink, and ये वाला जो कलर होता है ना वो एक्चुअली आपके सारे आउटफिट के साथ जाता है और ज्यादा हील भी नहीं है, सो विच इज नाइस. एंड इसका फ्लो इतना सुंदर है. सून कमिंग अप विद द रील जिसमें मैंने ये पहना हुआ है, and looks really nice. I just love it. Thank you so much for sending, and once again happy birthday. They have also sent some earrings. Tag the brand. Thank you for the sweet message. And they have shoes, bags and accessories. You can definitely check them out. Thank you so much for sending. And I just love this. मैंने ना इसको try किया था and they are very comfortable. So in case you're looking for some footwear for yourself, so you can definitely get them. And they came in this bag, so I love the packaging. Thank you so much. So I'm going to do much stuff and I love sharing with you all because you guys love watching PR unboxings and stories. And काफी लोग मुझे बोलते हैं कि उनको काफी help हुआ, उनको काफी अच्छा stuff मिला. And truly, whatever I say, I genuinely mean it. I would never say कि no, I don't like it and I'll just brag because I got it for free. No, absolutely not. Also, I have not been paid to say good things. This is all my genuine review. So thank you so much for watching, and definitely if you just like something, go and buy. Thank you.